think you own me? You were just a fuck, nothing else.
Anton, stop it. Stop that now.
I don't make you feel worthless. You do that by yourself. You remember the last man that you had? Donovan? Him used to kick the shit out of you. Him used to beat you religiously till you're soft. You lose all your voice, you couldn't even speak Chinese anymore.
Violence is not the only form of abuse, you know. You use emotional blackmail, and that's worse than physical violence.
Brave words. You should have told Donovan that when he was kicking the shit out of you. You know that you're the cause of all my problems.
The only thing I've ever done wrong is to love you. I write to you every day, and you, my man, have never replied or even sent me a VO. Every day that God said I think about you, your pain, your suffering, hoping and praying that you would be released in time to see the birth of our child.
Is it mine?
You bastard! Who else would be the father? You're the only man I've slept with in the last 10 years.
You're right.
And what do you mean? Well,
Are you accusing her of sleeping around?
What I know is what I know. And I will never accept it as mine.
My first grandchild?
That's right, mother. Look at her. She's an old woman. What would I be doing with that?
After all these years, you only just found out?
She was on lease. Hire purchase. She just needed a youngster to hump her all night. A mercy fuck, so I took pity on her. Go on. Tell them how old you are.
why don't you tell them?
50 years old. Now what a young ram like me doing in the old butt like that? As far as I'm concerned, you see, you can kill that child. I hope the umbilical cord strangles it to death.
Stop it! What is wrong with you? Tell me, have you seen a doctor since you've been here? Huh? Are you taking your medication? Answer me. Listen, I am not going to stand by and let you two commit murder on a poor, defenseless child.
What other purpose do they serve?
You're right. I will not commit another murder again to please you.
You mean you've killed before?
Yes, we have.
What?
He forced me to kill my babies 6 times. I've had 6 abortions because of him. I remember each and every one. The doctor made me feel so small, asking me if I was ready to commit another murder. I'll never forget the look on his face when he turned to the nurse and said, "We're going to kill another one of this woman's babies. Will you witness the murder?" And she said no and walked out. It was so horrible. And you weren't even there for me. The humiliation of the operation that killed our unborn child because you don't like babies. Afterwards, the doctor came in, threw a sanitary pad at me and said, "Clean yourself up, put this on and get out of my surgery." He said that although he performed the operation, abortion is morally wrong. He said I was a wicked, evil woman, and he left in disgust.
What is this I'm hearing?
I've suffered like this because I love your son and I just wanted to please him. And what hurt me the most was after each abortion, you couldn't bear to touch me. What I did for you, Fearless.
6 times? My God! What kind of man are you, huh? What kind of... Where's your shame? Where is your respect for life?
I thought this child would make our relationship stronger.
Well, you thought wrong.
Shut up. I said shut up. Don't talk to her like you're talking to some whore. She's carrying a part of you inside of her.
Do you think I want to be like these typical black men who have babies and worse baby mothers on every street corner?
I don't want to be called some cheap little baby mother. I want to be called your wife.
But your chest high. When did I ever say I do?
Don't you remember you are the one who proposed to me? Didn't you? All you did was just fill up me head with your lies, your bullshit. 4 times we planned this, and 4 times I turned up at the church for you.
I turned up!
So where were you?
I just wasn't ready.
Why you put me through all that embarrassment and ridicule when you knew you weren't ready? My parents won't even speak to me now because of the shame I put them through.
I'm sorry.
What you said?
It's just that you kept on pressuring me and pressuring me so much that I didn't want to hurt you.
You care about hurting me? Is that a joke? You know that my friends and my family call me a fool? You're a sad little puppet. But I promised myself that I wouldn't break down and cry when I see you. I'm going to give birth to our child in 2 weeks, Fearless.
Yours, not mine. And if you...
And what? And what, huh? Do you know how I suffered with you?
Did I ask to be born?
I can forgive you, Fearless, for anything else, but not this. Your hour is at hand, Fearless.
You threatening? You're threatening me because me in here?
Listen to me. Be a man for once in your life. You two are going to support that child even if it kills me. Be a man, look after your woman and the child like a man.
Mind your own damn business.
And who you think you talk to, boy? You think I want to hear dirty girl them? I will put my foot down your throat hole.
You never gave me a chance to be a man, mother. You always did what you thought was best for me, which was nothing that I wanted for myself. You stole my dreams. You stole my ambitions.
I did what was best for you. You were a little dunce.
Maybe so. But you never gave me a chance to prove otherwise.
Guards? Yes.
What are you doing? Are you mad?
Prison is pausing your man against me, against us.
What else am I supposed to do locked up inside here 24/7? In prison, you see people differently. You have time to strip away their mask and see them for who they are. Iago.
Iago? Iago? Look, let's not talk about Iago today, son. Let's talk about you. Oh, I can see the pain in your eyes, the anger, the hurt, the humiliation. But I won't betray you like your father